Next, we need to create the custom handler class. So handler class is required only for the business partner. If you take any material or finance, any other solution, handler class is not required. And handler class, a custom handler class required again when you have the custom entity type. If you have the existing entity and if you are just adding the attributes, then again the custom handler class is not required. Just keep that in mind. Now, there is a standard access class. Let me open that. So this is already being used for all the standard business logic handling and everything. So what we need to do is when you have the custom handler class requirement, you need to inherit from this. You need to create a subclass for that. So your superclass should be this one and subclass, nothing but handler class. So this is custom handler class to make it more precise. And this is standard handler class. We can give any meaningful name. That's not a problem. Just like how you create the inheritance in the regular ABAP, same way you can do that. So even though it mentioned as ECC, it is not ECC exactly. Create, okay, handler class for PP and can create the inheritance. This is the super class. Save. Okay, if you refer to the guide, they have mentioned some of the methods that you need to enhance or re-implement because if it is a inheritance, okay, these are mandatory that you need to re-implement. Of course, that depends on the requirement, but mostly map to API, to staging, read object data, sort entities, save additional object data. Okay, so these are mandatorily we need to implement. Now, just re-implementation is simple, nothing complex. Before that, I just sort the methods for easily identification. So this is also required. I will tell you the reason later why this is required, even the SAP did not mention in the guide. That was from my experience. So just redefine, just leave it as is. You don't need to do anything. Save. Map data to API. Map data to staging. Save additional object data. So read object data, sort entities. Okay, these are enough. Let me activate everything. Okay, just I'll capture this. Okay, that's it. We need to re-implement these methods, and this class has to be enhanced or inherited from that superclass. And how to write the business logic, what kind of logic is required, that we can see in the tomorrow session. Okay, now custom handler class creation. Re-implement the required methods. Okay, next one, we need to enhance the GNIL model. So before that, any questions from anyone? No, let's enhance the GNIL model.